What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula and then how to calculate the molar mass of potassium sulfite. So for writing molecular formula for potassium sulfite, I need to start with potassium. Potassium is K, belongs to group 1, so it's K plus. Sulfite is SO3 and the charge is 2 negative. Then, when you want to write the compound, it's going to be KSO3. The charge of SO3 is 2, so it's going to sit here, and 1 is going to sit here. We don't show that. So that's K2SO3. That's the molecular formula. Now, in order to find out the molar mass, we have potassium, sulfur, and oxygen. We need to find out the atomic mass of each of them using periodic table. 39.098 for potassium K, sulfur is 32.06, and oxygen is 15.999. How many atoms of potassium? We have 2. How many atoms of sulfur? 1. How many atoms of oxygen? We have 3. So then we can say 2 times 39.098, 78.196. Here we have 32.06, and here we have 3 times 15.999. That makes it 47.997. You add them. That makes it 158.253 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of potassium sulfite. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.